Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something exciting to share with you. I will be sharing an incredible platform where you can turn your ability to write reviews and give feedback on products and artworks into a source of income. So, stick around to find out how you can start earning money today. Now, let's talk about how you can start earning on this platform. It's as simple as participating in quick design surveys. You'll be helping make products better, and in return, you'll be paid for your time and insights. Most tests pay 1 to 2 credits per response, and some even pay more. And guess what? You'll be earning 20 cents USD per credit earned. And in a single day, you can earn up to $20 per day. So, the more you participate, the more you'll earn. Wondering how you'll get your hard-earned cash? They make it easy. Once you've accumulated at least $10, you can request a payout. The money will be sent straight to your PayPal account, so make sure you have one that's eligible to receive payments. It's a hassle-free process that ensures you get what you've earned. To make sure you never miss out on an opportunity, you'll receive real-time notifications through email. This means you'll be among the first to know when new tests become available. It's a fantastic way to maximize your chances of participating and earning more. So, how do you become a tester? It's incredibly easy. Just head over to their website, sign up, and you're good to go. You'll be joining a community of individuals who are passionate about giving valuable feedback and making products better. Remember, your opinion matters. And that brings us to the exciting platform I've been talking about. It's called UserCrowd. This is where all the magic happens. So, head over to UserCrowd, sign up, and start giving feedback while earning money today. In a nutshell, UserCrowd offers a fantastic opportunity to turn your passion for design and feedback into a source of income. Whether you're a design enthusiast, a tech-savvy individual, or just someone who loves sharing their thoughts, UserCrowd has a place for you. Don't wait any longer, head over to their website and start giving feedback while earning money today. And that wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting opportunities like this one. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy testing!